A common question we receive is, do I need an air purifier or a humidifier for my home? Depending on the circumstances, you may need both. We'll explain which option is best for you and your family. Air purifiers are often confused with humidifiers. However, each machine addresses separate concerns. Air purifiers are designed to clear the air of allergens and contaminants as well as combat molds and odors. This can be beneficial for adults and children who struggle with allergies and asthma. As air passes through the purifier, it traps pollutants and prevents them from re-entering the environment, resulting in clean air. But so, does a humidifier clean the air? No. Their function neither improves the quality of the air nor reduces the particle in it. Instead, humidifiers are devices that release water vapor or steam into the air to increase the humidity levels in a room or throughout the home. Depending on the type of humidifier, it may either emit hot steam or cool water vapor. Humidifying a room can be beneficial for adults and children who are experiencing congestion. Additionally, higher humidity levels may alleviate dry, cracked skin, and nasal passages due to the lack of moisture in the air during the winter. Humidifiers play a vital role because forced air HVAC systems can really dry out your home's air. But when it's cold or hot outside, HVAC systems recycle far more indoor air because they're not powerful enough to quickly heat or cool enough outdoor air. So without fresh air, HEPA purifiers are very important to remove dust, allergens, and pathogens from your indoor air. So what's the difference between an air purifier and a humidifier for babies? Both air purifiers and humidifiers may be helpful for your baby. However, leaving a humidifier on at all time is not recommended. Excess moisture in the air can cause condensation on floors, walls, and other surfaces, making your home more susceptible to mold, dust mites, and bacteria. An accumulation of these microbes may trigger an allergic or asthmatic flare-up or respiratory symptoms in adults, children, and babies. If you are concerned that your home harbors an excess of moisture, use a hydrometer. This instrument detects the humidity levels in a room and the corresponding temperature. Generally, more than 60% humidity indoors is considered high. If your baby suffers from chest and sinus congestion, a humidifier may help soothe their symptoms. Besides minimizing odors like soiled diapers, an air purifier with the proper filter can trap allergens and dust. Allen air purifiers are certified ozone safe and their ionizers can be disabled. Air purifiers provide a long-term solution to reducing pollutants in your home's air, including off-gassing plastics, as well as allergens like pet dander, pollen, and mold spores. Allen's HEPA air filters are also independently tested to effectively capture virus particles, including COVID-19. This results in cleaner, safer air for your baby to breathe. So let's talk about maintenance of these devices. Maintaining your air purifier or humidifier is extremely important. A dirty, unkept humidifier can breed mold and bacteria that could be harmful to your family's health. After using a humidifier, empty any remaining water immediately and dry off the water vessel. Leave the humidifier open and allow it to dry thoroughly. Likewise, an air purifier with an old clogged filter prevents it from working properly. For best results, be sure to routinely change the filter according to the manufacturer's guidelines and always follow the directions. Ask your doctor. Ultimately, you will know what is most suitable for your family. If you're unsure whether your child would benefit from a humidifier or an air purifier, consult with your physician. Remember, both machines serve different functions but can be used in conjunction to fit you and the needs of your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and that's it for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.